Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are going to do a really cute hairstyle today. We're going to do a headband braid that goes all the way around, because I really love it when she has her hair down, but this can be a bit annoying, can't it, when it flops in your face? So we're going to do a headband style to keep it all out of the way. Okay, so I've started with the side parting and I'm just taking my comb all the way around her head, underneath to the back of her hairline, keeping it fairly wide all the way around and equal, and then tying up that section out of the way. And then I'm going to repeat on the opposite side, taking that all the way around again and tying off that hair. Now, it's much easier for this style if you start with her head on its side. So I've used our piano stool, but you could use a pillow, you could use the side of your armchair, whatever's going to work to make your little girl comfortable. You could lay her on your bed even. I'm using Sweetheart Hair Designs detangler spray, just combing that through to keep all the little wispy bits in. Take a small section of hair, and then you're going to take it and split it into 3 pieces. So we've got 1, 2 and 3. I'm taking that side on the left hand side over the middle, then right side goes over the middle. I'm going to get a new piece of hair on the left and combine it with that piece of hair on the left. So I've got one thicker strand now. Take both those over the middle section, and then my right side goes over the middle without adding any more hair. Go back onto the left hand side, pick up some more hair, add it to that piece on the left hand side, combine them together, move it over the middle, and then take the right side over the middle. Taking another slice of hair now, combining it with that side piece on the left, over the middle, right side, over the middle. Using a comb sometimes to pick up if I'm taking a larger area of hair, just to avoid the bumps and the lumps. And then taking both the pieces over the middle and then right side over the middle. So where her parting line is, you want to try and braid over that parting line. That keeps it looking neat and it just gives it a prettier finish in the end. So this is what you would call a lace braid, because we're only adding on the one side. And then you just continue doing that as far as you can with her head laying on its side like this. I'm just going to keep going as far as I can and then braid a few stitches when we've been as far as we can laying down like this. Okay, so I've gone as far as I can really with her head on its side. So I'm just going to braid a few stitches, keep going quite a way down her hair now, and I'm going to clip it off and then get her to stand back up and sit on our normal chair. Okay, now she's back in that position. I'm just going to undo a few of those stitches and go back to where I was, and then continue the braid as I was going. So adding some hair from the left hand side, combining it with that left hand piece, taking it over the middle, and then the right side goes over the middle. And then you just continue this all the way around her hairline till you get to where you've run out of hair. But just remember all the time to stay over that part line. Makes it look much neater and gives it a much better finish. So I'm just going to continue all the way down. Okay, so I am undoing the left-hand side of her hair, taking a small section of hair from the very nape of her neck. Just make sure I haven't got any little wispy bits there. Make sure it's a neat parting, because I'm going to use a very, very small elastic and I don't really want to get those tangled up in the rest of her hair. So just tie that up out of the way. Take the braid and secure it to that little piece of hair and tie it quite neatly to the nape of her neck. And then that's it, it's done. All you have to do now is undo the clips, let the hair fall down, and her hair will look lovely. And it's all kept out of the way with this lovely hairband, and it lasts all day. Really pretty style for a bridesmaid. You can spin some little flowers into it or some little diamonds. You can do what you like with it. So I hope you like it. I hope you like our tutorial and you give it a go. If you aren't already, you can follow us on Instagram. We'll put the link to our Instagram account in the description box below, and also for our Facebook page. And we hope you give us a big like and leave us a comment. We'd love to know what you think about this style. Okay, till next time then. Bye.
Bye.